Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter. Please subscribe to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss how to set up YouTube Kids channel. YouTube Kids is the best option for your children. On YouTube Kids, children can watch educational content, cartoons, music, and videos. This makes it easier and more fun for them to explore on their own, and also for parents and guardians to guide their journey as they discover new and exciting interests along the way. It is specially designed for children under 13 years of age. YouTube Kids install. You have to download YouTube Kids, and for this you can go to your Google Play Store and install YouTube Kids. Open Google Play Store. Search YouTube Kids. You will see different options to download YouTube Kids on the App Store. You can also install it on your Android TV. It is available for both Android and iPhone devices. You can download YouTube Kids by going to any app store. And install it by clicking on the Install button. YouTube Kids Setup Guide. Open the YouTube Kids app. Here you will see two options, I am a child or I am a parent. You have to choose one of these. If you are a parent and want to set up YouTube Kids for your child, then click on the parent option. Click on Next. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your year of birth. Your year of birth will not be stored here. It will just be asked for verification. Click Show Text. You will be asked to sign in. Click on Next button. If you have an account, you can sign in, otherwise you will need to create a new account. You have to sign in using your email ID and password. Create YouTube Kids profile. You will need to create a profile for your child, in which you will get the name of your child, age of child, and the date of birth of the child has to be entered. Then click on Next. Here you have to select the content according to the age of the child. Here you can choose whether you want to keep the search option or not. Wait for some time, your child's profile will be created. If you want to create another profile, you can create that also. On the next page, you will be suggested to make parental settings. YouTube Kids is fully set up. You can use it. Your child will get everything related to show sound games. Your child can also search for the video of their choice by typing in the search bar. You will see Parental Control option on the top corner. Click on Lock option and solve the question and submit. You'll need to enter a passcode for parental control settings, so your child can't tamper with YouTube settings without you. Hope after watching the entire video you will be able to set up YouTube Kids. Please like and share the video. We will keep bringing more such videos for you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.